this is an experience.
I wonder if it has adjustable steering wheel.
So my name is Dennis. I am 76 years old, and I'm from the United States. Oh, I loved my first car. It was a red Triumph convertible. It was cabriolet. It was just fantastic. I loved it. First car you always love. It had lots of problems, but I loved it. Well, I lived in Naples, Italy when I had it, and I drove from Naples, Italy up to London through Europe, so it was a lot of fun. It was very nice. I paid it on my own, but I took a loan out to pay for it. 7 years. Boy, this brings back memories.